Alright everyone, so we finally have the spoilers for chapter 286 of Black Clover, and everything in this chapter happened just as I predicted in my last video on Black Clover, that how this chapter will be and what the past of Nach will be, and not only that, what is the forbidden secret of Nach family plots. So make sure to watch that video. Its link will be down below in the description. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel, as we are aiming towards 15 subscribers by the end of Black Clover anime. So yeah, let's make a good community to say a good goodbye, and let's get started with the spoilers. Okay, so the chapter starts and we see that Nach clearly tries to differentiate himself with his brother Morgan, and he's like, for like whatever he has done till now, he did only for fun. But his brother, on the other hand, was trying his best to be opposite of him. He was trying his best to like actually like get into the culture of others and try to like improve the image of the family, and I actually taking the burden of Nach of being a good kid. But still, don't misunderstand any of this. It's in no way that they both hated each other or something like that. It's just that they were brothers, and Naj just is like differentiating himself from his brother and saying that he was a bad guy and his brother Murugan was actually a very good guy. Boom. So okay, in the next chapter, so next page, we see that Yami and Nach were like friends from kids, and as we know that Yami did not live in this country, so his parents were also not belonging to this country. So both of them did very bad things before actually Yami joined the Magic Knight squad, and it was pretty surprising for Nach himself, because 6 months later he actually joined Magic Squad with Morgan, his own brother. Not only that, we also know what their Magic Knight squad name was. It was Grey Deer, which is, I guess, like leaded by what was his name, Julius, like the current Wizard King. That makes a bit sense. And we also see that Yami actually like helped his Morgan actually helped Yami to introduce to everyone and make friends with like the royalties and nobilities of the these black magic squad, and which makes actually really sense. And seeing this, he was like pretty jealous, because Murugan like has this habit to say that both Nach and Yami are pretty similar. And not only that, I forgot to mention that Murugan actually had the magic, light magic. So like we know that Nach has shadow magic and Yami has dark magic. So Yami and Nach actually are pretty similar, even magic wise. Like their color of magic is dark, and Murugan was like totally opposite to them, like light, and he was like actually friends, or like having a good friendship or relationship with both of them. So it just symbolizes that like how close Yami and Nach were without knowing each other. But now this is where all the twist of this chapter comes. When Nach turned 16, he was appointed to be the head of Flout's family. Nach did not get why like he should be the one, because his brother Murugan, who is like actually very well, very sociable, and even in Magic Knight squad should be the like the leader or the head of the family. But he was chosen as the one because he has the shadow magic, which was actually perfect for Dark Guardian invitation, sorry. So I think that the reason Morgan was not chosen, because his was the magic, because he has the light magic, which I think does the totally opposite work on devils, which actually rather than inviting them, it actually like rejects them or something like that, because it is white and they are like practically dark, and they are like also black in color also, like no racism, but still. So that's what I think. So that's why like he was chosen as the captain. And now this is where my like the most biggest prediction actually came. I told all of you guys that in my last video of the prediction, of course, that these like the family of Cloud's family had this like ability to like actually communicate with devils for like generations, and it seems that was actually the truth. As the family had said that the family is like trying to like actually communicate with devils for a long time to like get more power, and your magic and spirit has been like persisted and it's like perfect for calling them. So like Nach, who does not have any place, like his own brother has found a new friend who's just similar like him, so he actually was hollow from inside, and from like his loneliness he was like, oh, now I am pretty useful. And the name devils is also pretty devilish, which is not a good thing. So that's why he was like even more interested in doing one of these odd one out things. Then, alongside with Nach and Morgan and Yami, who were training to be a magic knight, or like you can even say wizard king, they were aiming to be. But on the other side, we see Nach, who was actually studying demonology, and then we see that Nach finally make the contact with four devils, which are like the four like hen, peacock, like so not peacock, like the one we already knew. But then Nach's dad gave him and told that he's actually genius for this job and gave him the relic of that devil. And in the next chapter it is also told that that devil is none other than the one who has the control on time, space and gravity, one of the most superior, one of the pillar, one of the three pillars. That guy name is Lucifer, of course. And like at that time we came to know that Morgan himself came to stop Nach and his family, because he did not knew that what is going on in the family still. He's actually unknown, and this is what actually is going on. So in the next chapter, and I am pretty surprised because this chapter is like so huge, like it has like 15 16 pages. It is a really interesting chapter, and like my all the theories came like true, is actually a godsend. I actually really like what do you say, like you should watch my video, just that. So next page we see that Morgan tells his family that it is kind of bad to use forbidden stuff, and in fact that it could be crime, and he cannot overlook this. Now seeing this, like we can see that Nach is pretty annoyed and pretty jealous that his brother, who did not even talk to him for a while and had a new friend and start communicating with them and was not like well attached to him as they were like in the past, he was pretty like jealous, and he was like, oh, I will show you right here that I can surpass my limits, and I can actually be stronger than the guy you actually are working with. And then we see a huge image, like actually 3 to 4 times huge. Then Nach himself came out of that circular magic barrier, and that guy was Lucifer. So here the picture is not that like well depicted, but yeah, it is very terrifying. Even like Morgan himself is like totally terrified because he did not thought that Lucifer will be that strong, and because of it was Lucifer, he killed. And sorry, that this guy was Lucifer, the new devil. He was like so huge, he destroyed and killed everyone of his family, except I guess Morgan, because Morgan was able to dodge some of his attack. So he dodged some of his attacks. And then we saw that Morgan actually got annoyed, and he was like, yeah, just stop this spell now. So he actually like broke the what the relic which was making connection with Lucifer, and that's how like Lucifer actually disappeared. But it looks like that Lucifer has already attacked Morgan before Morgan like actually destroyed that bangle or relic whatsoever it was. So he was like, my family was in, like his dying words were like, my family was involved in this forbidden technique, the magic knights I didn't even like realize, didn't like friends with, and did not even told them. So I was like lying to them for so long, this might be my reward for lying to them. And like Morgan was like, why are you? And then Morgan also said something about his dream, so we don't know what is that. But yeah, like the dream is like something which is kept hidden to us. I know that we will like actually get to know this when we will like he will like again meet Yami, because I think that there will be a conclusion to their backstory when he will meet Yami. So at the end, like not the end, like last 3 pages, he says, I love him. I wanted him to shine so bright that the missing sparkle that I had would always be next to him. Like the similar thing he always started in the start, like stated in the start. Similar is here. So my brother did nothing wrong. Like he was like even saying, God, please help me. So this God thing can actually relate to like God actually being there, because devils are already here and gods can already be here, and we also get to know a new species about Darcy's. And so like it will be pretty interesting knowing that, because now I have got no other prediction. So so the last chapter was, my dream was to be the shadow and the light magic knights alongside my elder brother, and to protect the pace of the kingdom. So he's just telling why he was a friend with Yami, because he like the light shadow light magic and the shadow magic is pretty similar to the dark magic of Yami magic. So it's like all of this like comes into one circle, and he just want both of them to like protect the country. So like that was his so simple dream, but yeah, like at the end he died, and like this is pretty like bad. And at the end we also came to the like present time, and he was like, I never thought I would save this world, but right here right now I will surpass my limits. And there one more thing to notice, that when like Nach was a kid, his hairs were black, but when he turned adult, like not even adult, when he was like 18, his hair were like white, and now he's again black. So I think like that makes to something. So yeah, that's it for the spoiler, guys. So yeah, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, watch the last video which had like all these theories and prediction and lots more. So yeah, see you guys in the next one.